Here's something nobody tells you. The moment you walk into a room, people are already forming an opinion. And your shorts are doing more damage than you realize. Not because they're ugly, not because they're dirty, but because of one single detail that most men over 40 completely overlook. And the brutal truth? The men making this mistake are usually the ones who think they're dressed just fine. Today, we're fixing that. Because after 40, you're not just getting dressed. You're making a statement about who you are. Make sure it's the right one. After 40, your appearance carries weight it never did in your 20s. You're not trying to impress anyone. You're commanding a room without saying a word. The men who understand this, they invest in their image intentionally. If that's the man you're becoming, subscribe now. This channel exists specifically for you. The man who refuses to disappear into the background. Timeless style 40+. Let's build that together. Mistake 1, length. Let's start with a mistake that is hiding in plain sight. Length. It sounds almost too simple to matter. But I promise you, nothing on a man over 40 communicates age, confusion, and lost confidence faster than getting this one detail wrong. Here's what's actually happening on the street right now. Half the men out there are wearing shorts that stop somewhere around the shin. Baggy, dropping past the knee like a curtain. And they genuinely believe this looks relaxed and casual. It doesn't. It looks unfinished. It visually cuts the leg at the worst possible point, making you appear shorter, heavier, and older than you actually are. That's not a style choice. That is a silent penalty you're paying every single day without knowing it. Then there's the other extreme. Shorts riding so far up the thigh, they belong on a completely different decade. That's not timeless either. That's trying too hard in the wrong direction. So what is the exact sweet spot? Right at the knee, or 1 to 2 inches above it? That single measurement changes everything. It creates a clean, proportional line that works with your body instead of against it. It reads as intentional, mature, controlled. And here's the part most men miss. The right length doesn't just improve the shorts. It elevates every single thing you're wearing with them. Your shoes look better. Your shirt looks better. Your entire silhouette sharpens. All from 2 inches of fabric. Mistake 2. Fit at the waist and thigh. We just talked about length. Now, let's talk about something even more personal. Fit. Specifically, what happens around your waist and thigh when you put on a pair of shorts that are simply too big. Here's the reality most men won't say out loud. When fabric bunches at your waistband, pulls around your hips, and billows loosely around your thighs, it doesn't read as comfortable. It reads a surrender. It visually communicates to everyone around you that somewhere along the way, you stop paying attention. And that is a dangerous message to send after 40. Because at this stage of your life, people are watching how you carry yourself more than you realize. Clients, colleagues, your own family. The way you present yourself either reinforces your authority or quietly undermines it. Now here's what proper fit actually looks like at the waist and thigh. The waistband should sit cleanly without pulling, gaping, or requiring a belt just to stay in place. At the thigh, there should be enough room to move naturally, but no excess fabric hanging loose or creating that draped, shapeless look that ages a man instantly. Think of it this way. Fit is the difference between wearing your clothes and being worn by them. The goal is always control. Clean lines. A silhouette that looks deliberate. You don't need to go slim fit. You just need to go right fit. That distinction alone will change how every room receives you. Mistake 3. Fabric choice. You can get the length right. You can nail the fit and still walk out the door looking cheap. How? The fabric. This is a detail that separates men who understand style from men who are simply following it. And most men over 40 have never stopped to think about what their shorts are actually made of. Let's start with what to avoid. Polyester blends. Nylon. Anything with a sheen to it that catches light the wrong way. These fabrics were designed for performance, not presence. They wrinkle awkwardly. They don't drape well, and under natural light, they can make even a well-fitted pair of shorts look like an afterthought. Worse, they often trap heat, which defeats the entire purpose of wearing shorts in the first place. Loud printed synthetics fall into the same trap, the kind you find in bulk bins and resort gift shops. They scream disposable. And disposable is the last thing a man of your caliber should be communicating. Now here's what actually works. Linen, cotton twill, stretch cotton with a tight weave. These are the fabrics that move with intention. They breathe, they hold their shape through the day. And critically, they photograph well, drape cleanly, and communicate that you made a considered choice rather than just grabbing whatever was on sale. Linen especially deserves your attention. It has been worn by men of status across cultures for centuries for a reason. It gets better looking as the day goes on. Fabric is feel, and how you feel and what you wear is exactly what other people sense when you walk into a room. Choose accordingly. Mistake 4. Color and pattern. We covered length, fit, and fabric. Now let's talk about the mistake that is the most visible from across the room. Color and pattern. And I want to be direct with you here, because this one has nothing to do with being boring or playing it safe. It has everything to do with understanding what your choices are actually communicating. Here's a trap most men over 40 fall into. They reach for the loudest option on the rack. Neon tropical prints, oversized Hawaiian florals, camouflage, bold graphic patterns that compete with everything else they're wearing. And the intention is good. They want to look fun, relaxed, approachable. But the result tells a completely different story. Instead of looking relaxed, they look unresolved. Instead of approachable, they look like they borrowed someone else's identity. These patterns were designed for a completely different season of life. And wearing them past 40 creates a visual disconnect that people feel even when they can't explain why. Now here is what actually works in your favor. Neutral solids, earthy tones, navy, stone, olive, tan, white. These colors do something powerful. They put the focus on you as a man, not on what you're wearing. They pair effortlessly. They photograph cleanly. And they carry a quiet confidence that loud patterns simply cannot replicate. If you want pattern, go subtle, a fine stripe, a tonal check, something that adds texture without demanding attention. Because after 40, the goal is never to shout. The goal is to be impossible to ignore. Now that we've walked through all 4 mistakes, I want to give you the one idea that connects every single one of them, because there's a thread running through length, fit, fabric, and color. And once you see it, your entire relationship with getting dressed will permanently shift. That thread is intentionality. Every mistake we covered today shares the same root cause. Not poverty, not age, not lack of access. The root cause is unconscious dressing, grabbing whatever is available without asking whether it is actually working for you. Intentionality means every choice you make has a reason behind it. The length you choose, the way something sits on your body, the fabric you reach for, the color you commit to. Each one becomes a quiet declaration about who you are and how seriously you take your own presence. Here's what changes when you adopt this philosophy completely. You stop dressing by default and start dressing with purpose. And people around you feel that shift before they can articulate it. Your confidence becomes visible. Your authority becomes readable. Style after 40 was never about fashion. It was always about command. And now you have the framework to own it. Here's what nobody prepares you for. When you correct all 4 of these things at once, it doesn't just change how you look, it changes how you move, how you enter a space, how people respond to you before you've said a single word. And that shift happens faster than you expect. The first thing people notice isn't any specific detail. It's the overall impression that you look like a man who is in control of himself, that you made deliberate choices this morning, that you respect your own image enough to get it right. That perception, earned through nothing more than correct length, clean fit, quality fabric, and disciplined color, carries more social weight than most men realize. Colleagues treat your opinions with more gravity. Strangers hold eye contact a moment longer. You walk differently because you feel differently. And that feeling compounds every single day you choose to dress with intention. This is what the right shorts actually do. Not just cover your legs. They become part of a larger story. You're telling the world about who you become. After 40, that story deserves to be told correctly. And today, you just learned exactly how to tell it. Now I want to hear directly from you. Which of these 4 mistakes has been the hardest to crack? Length, fit, fabric, color? Drop your answer in the comments right now, along with your age. You might be surprised how many men are navigating the exact same challenge. And if today shifted something for you, the next video is going to take it further. We're moving from the waist down to the complete summer outfit formula. Every piece working together as one. Click it now. Your image isn't finished yet. Stay sharp. You've earned it.